Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best screw extractors that you should buy. Let's get started. First up on the list is the IRWIN Screw Extractor. Damaged screws can be very difficult to remove with conventional tools. This is where screw extractors come into play. These 10 extractors by IRWIN are designed to extract screws from different surfaces and objects. They can remove screws of different sizes, broken studs, socket screws, bolts and fittings. Most mechanics and tradesmen carry screw extractors like these as they work with drills and wrenches. Unlike most screw extractors, these can remove all types of screws including broken, painted, rusted, jammed and seized screws. They are left-hand spiral design screw extractors that provide superior gripping power. Second on the list is the IRWIN Screw Extractor set for spiral screws. If you're a handy person, a mechanic or a professional contractor, a broken, rusted or stripped screw is impossible to avoid, but with a good screw extractor kit like this one, you can easily extract damaged screws. The extractors in this kit are designed to remove fasteners in softer materials and thin-walled pieces like fittings and pipes. The 5 screw extractors remove both right-hand and left-hand threaded screws. Their design eases extraction as they do not expand materials when removing screws. They can remove socket screws, broken studs, and even fittings. Their aggressive left-hand spiral design gives them extra gripping power. Last in line is the Vampire Professional Tools Screw Extraction Pliers. Vampire Tools calls its Pliers the world's best pliers, and they may just be right. For starters, the pliers are made from high-quality carbon steel and are very durable. Also, they extract all types of screws, including tamper-proof screws, screws with unique heads like Torx screws, single-side screws, and security screws. A combination of vertical and horizontal serrations and concave-shaped jaws give the pliers enhanced gripping power and allow them to easily grab problematic screws. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.